What's up, YouTube? My name is Kenny J, the insurance guru, and this is Kenny J TV. Welcome back to another episode of Kenny J TV. Let's go. Welcome back to another episode of Kenny J TV. I know it's been a minute. I don't even have my beard shaped up. It's just a lot going on, but bear with me. We here in our rawest form to talk to y'all today. It is another day in the life video. Obviously, you can tell by the title. And I'm excited. I've been super busy. Business has been going really, really well. And just because I've been so busy, I haven't been able to record at all. I have a lot of work to do. And I'm like, you know what? Let me go ahead and record today. It's about 11 o'clock now. I've been up for a few hours working. The best call that I got today, I actually got a referral from Instagram. It was like on the lead. They, filled out the lead thing on my page, and she's reaching out for life insurance for her and her brother. I will say this is probably one of the biggest deals that I've done to date. She wants to pay annually, which is the first green light, and she wants to pay $5,000 a year because she's doing it more from like a cash value standpoint, and then she wants one for her brother as well. And I'm excited because I'm excited she reached out to me, for one, and then two, the commission on that's about to be stupid. So I am working on that email now, getting all of that stuff over. We talked on the phone for probably 20, 25 minutes. She was just asking questions, getting different quotes and things like that. And I told her that I would work on everything and send her everything over today. And then she said, she's off tomorrow as well, so she may be able to look at it before she goes back to work. So I'm excited. So I'm going to work on that, and then I will follow back up with y'all a little later on when I'm not working on this anymore, because this is going to take me a little minute. Forgot I was recording already. Forgot I was recording. Just got off the phone with a client. They're looking at getting final expense for their mom. It's a really good policy, and she wanted her older brother to talk to me as well because he had a few questions, and apparently she had policies elsewhere, and the agent kind of just hit him over the head and wasn't really getting anything for the money. So I was able to find them a really good policy. The sister said call on November 30th, which is like a week and a half away, to go ahead and put everything in place. But the brother was like, no, we need to do this sooner. So let me call her, and then she's going to let you know when to complete everything. So I'm just texting her now, letting her know I spoke with her brother. And thank you for putting me in contact with him. Life insurance has been going up. I've been doing a lot of auto. I will say Friday, I closed a really big auto insurance deal. I think the premium was like $8,000 or $9,000 for the year, and I saved him hundreds and hundreds of dollars a month. So that was really cool as well. Really good premium. Happy November. I love insurance, man. The more I'm into it, the more I learn, the better I get at it. My systems get better. I couldn't see myself doing anything else. And I always say, my 30 years coming up in January, and it feels like I haven't worked for 3 years. Of course, I've been pounding and going hard, but it's for my business. I don't feel like I dread coming to work and helping clients out. I truly enjoy what I do, and I'm so grateful for that. Insurance has really changed my life forever. I'm gonna get some information from you, and then I'll be able to provide that quote. Can you spell your first and last name for me? For the October speeding ticket, do you know how fast you were going and what the speed limit was? So that was a referral from one of my clients. Her sister needed some auto insurance, and she has 8 points on her license. Personally, for me, I know a lot of people are like, I don't like those type of policies. I love them. Because I get to, first off, help them, because a lot of people have already declined them. Their premium is super high. Her premium for the year is $6,800. But for me, it's great premium. And from my experience working with people with a lot of points, they pay on time. I never have issues with them. And I enjoy helping them, their renewal this is falling off, so your premium has went down. And just seeing the growth with their, motor vehicle record. I really enjoy that. So those are like some of my favorite auto deals to write. So I have to email her over this quote. And she's got some other stuff going on she needs to work out, and then we will finalize everything. And it's funny enough because I have to call her sister today as well to go over some life insurance stuff with her sister, because her sister got her homeowners with me, auto insurance, and she's about to get life insurance for her and her mom. Not for me, that would be crazy, right? For her and her mom as well, and then her sending her sister. And that's what I tell people: take care of your clients and they'll send you business, one, but two, make sure to ask about other lines of business. We started off with her auto, then I asked about her homeowner's insurance. We bundled it together, saved her so much money. And then I talked to her about life insurance. Oh, I need that. I have been thinking about it. A lot of times people don't have life insurance because a lot of times people just have never asked them, so I always bring that up in conversation about life insurance, because you don't know where that could go. And that's, I believe, why I've had a lot of success in the life insurance sector, and just insurance in general, is just always talking to people, asking them questions, and not being scared. Also, this is why I tell everybody that books a call with me. Also, if you want to book a call or join the mentorship program, all that information is going to be in the description box below. And if it's not, check my Instagram, KennyJTV. It'll be up there. And if not there, my website, www.remedyiwb.com. And it's a tab for mentorship. Or just comment under here. Or honestly, shoot me a DM on Instagram. Because the comments up here, it's so many of them, I can't even get through them anymore. But I'm going to try to get back to it, for one. Two, I said all that to say, this referral came from networking. So the sister and the 4 policies that she's got 2 or 3 of them already and 1 more to go. And then, no, she's got 2 of them already and she's getting 2 more. And then she sent her sister to me as well. And then I talked about life insurance. So this is potentially 6 to 8 policies that I'm getting off of going to one networking event and talking to one person. You'd be surprised. I always tell people, go to these networking events. You will be very surprised about the return on it. But make sure it's a quality networking event, because everyone, in my opinion, is in a quality networking event. And it definitely takes trial and error to get to that point. Okay. So we have to do it over the phone, like the agent only has access to it, but it won't take long at all. So what I'll do is I'll let you run your errands and I'll follow with you later this afternoon. And then, if you want to do it today, great. If not, I understand you don't feel well. Either way, I just want to put something on the calendar for you. All right, perfect. Well, I appreciate it. And you feel better. Let me know if you need anything in the meantime. Yes, sir. I will, for sure. Have a good one. Thank you. Bye. So that was another referral. I'm about to go to lunch now. That was a referral. Met her at a networking event. 3 life insurance policies she's about to get. She's undecided if she's going to get it today. She doesn't feel really well. So I told her, let me know either today. We're going to follow back up today. She's great on communication, so I'm not really worried about that. But it's 3 policies, 1 for her, 1 for her daughter, and then 1 for someone else. I think her other child maybe. So I'm gonna write some notes after I get from lunch, because I have to call a friend really quick and chat with them for a little bit. Whoa, a client meeting ran over 30 minutes and I missed my one at 2 and it's 2:28. Hopefully she answers. Hi, this is Kenny from Remedy Insurance. How you doing today? I'm doing well. My apologies for the delay. We had a meeting at 2 o'clock and I had a client meeting and it ran all the way over. It just ended. So my apologies for that. All right, you cannot win them all. She went somewhere else and didn't want to tell me who her insurance was with, whatever. I have another deal that I was working on. She just texted me and said, the referral agent texted me and said, she would like for you to call her tomorrow. She wants to close her auto insurance. She's also interested in hearing about renter's insurance. So I'm just texting her back to see what time works. So that is perfect. So I'm going to set that reminder in my system. I was on the phone with a client and he was asking me about insurance. and like getting into the industry, and I was kind of just like telling him some stuff, and the conversation ended up being 33 minutes. So I kind of ran over on time with some other stuff, but no, I'm super grateful for the referrals, kind of just working through them. I feel like I am very behind on it. I feel like I'm very behind on it, so I'm just trying to get caught up with everything and get it done. As I get things in my email, I like to go ahead and kind of handle it. So one of my renewals was just paid out, and so I'm gonna go ahead and check that off so I don't have to do that in my like accounting meetings later. Right now, calling a client, she's closing on the 15th on her house, so in 2 days. I just want to ensure that she's closing on the house. I always like to call her. Hey, it's Kenny from Remedy Insurance. How you doing today? I'm doing well. Thank you for asking. Wanted to follow up with you to confirm that you're still closing on the 15th on your home. I'll talk to you soon. Have a good one. Thank you. Bye. And that is why I called. That is why I called. That is why I called. She was supposed to close in 2 days. It's pushed back until next Monday, which is 7 days away. But had I not called and didn't know, that would have been bad. The one thing I hate sometimes with certain companies is they don't always update the document. So he was saying, because we're updating it, it's not going to be updated documents. Since we're updating the effective date, it's not going to be updated documents. So I have to go in here and manually do this document, this Accord form. I just got a referral. My assistant sent it over to me. I think it's a home health agency. We were trying to talk on the phone, but I guess her connection was really bad. So I'm sending her a text message now saying, hey, what type of business is this? So I can send it to the right carrier so we can go ahead and get this bad boy rolling. And I have a few other things I need to work on, but honestly, after I send this text message and create her an account in my system, I'm taking a break. I have a meeting with my agent, one of my agents, in an hour and a half. She's doing an amazing job killing the game. So I have a meeting with her. Hey, location switch. I know the last clip was yesterday, but the day got crazy and I couldn't even finish the day. So what did I do yesterday afternoon? Just like close a few deals, and I was chilling for the rest of the day. Now, one of my oldest friends pulled up on me. We're at a co-working space in Charlotte. We really couldn't find no seating, so we're in like this awkward little setup. He's a YouTuber too. Hey, check his stuff out. I'm gonna plug him in. Check his stuff out. We out here. I have a meeting right now with a client. She's looking at getting her auto insurance. It was a referral from one of my referral agents, and I just have to pull her like MBR and stuff just to make sure everything comes back the way it's supposed to come back. Fingers crossed. So I'm pulling the MBR. I always do it at the end because if they don't get it and I don't hit a certain threshold, I gotta pay that money back. And let's see if it changed. She has 2 losses she didn't disclose, so I'm gonna give her a call. Hopefully she's good with it. If not, another one bites the dust. You know where I'm at this quarter for the bonus incentives? All right, update y'all. We're almost at lunch. It's just been kind of a follow-up day with a lot of clients. I have a lot of new clients that I'm kind of just onboarding and getting everything together. So just following up with them, making sure documents are signed. I got a few referrals from a few current clients. And then I think I told you guys the one lady that I was supposed to do the auto insurance with, her policy payments came back way higher. Her premium came back way higher than what we thought because she didn't disclose everything to me. And that's why I don't really pull the MBR to the end, because you never know. So now I'm just kind of in the middle of it, like going through everything, and then I have to go to my email, and I have a ton of emails to get through, and hopefully you can get some food soon. You know, I'm starving. This man just drinking coffee. I've had nothing on my stomach all day, y'all. Hopefully we can make some shake. And then I have to post for Kaplan at 12, so 30 more minutes. I was gonna time it, but whenever I schedule it, it doesn't come out right. And then also I've been trying to like get back into TikTok with insurance, even though I really don't want to. But whenever I make those videos, they go up, and I've had some people comment, so I'm gonna try to like reply to them via video when I'm outside walking around and stuff. So trying to like hit content, work, all the things, YouTube video, trying to get y'all what y'all want. So be sure like, comment, share, subscribe, and hit that bell for the latest notification. So what? You can be notified. Let's get it. So the last clip, I just told y'all that I didn't win the deal because her MVR, all that, right? So then I just got a message from my referral agent that said she should be calling you because she left her insurance because it went up more. So now I'm gonna come in with the alley-oop and close the deal. Hey. Okay, let me make sure. Because hers went up to 204. It was 174, and it went up to 204. And what I have her at, drum roll please, I got her at 177, so we still saving her a little money. So I'm about to call her right now and see if we can close this deal. All right, we out here flicking it up between meetings.
Let me get some content real quick. Yes, sir. It's bright out here.
It's very bright. Let me actually turn this down. Work's going great today. I want to be done though. I'm tired. About to get some food. Flicking them up real quick. Yeah. Oh my God. At one of my favorite spots, Leroy Fox. 10 out of 10 every time. If you're in Charlotte, Leroy Fox, tell him Kenny sent you. I suggest the fried chicken is really bomb. The buffalo wraps are really good. The drinks, a nice espresso martini to make you feel, you know, kind of sexy, you know. That's what I would recommend. For the rest of the day, I have like no meetings or anything. Getting some work done, filling out some applications for some prospects, sending that to underwriting. That's pretty much it for the day. And then hopefully just chilling tonight, not doing too much, editing some content, shooting some content. Probably will shoot a video in the car today on the way back home. That's pretty much all I got. I'll show y'all the food when it comes. Yes, sir. It's dark. There we go. Yes, sir. I received a referral from a current client. They have someone that is needing life insurance. I just did his life insurance. He just got another policy and referred someone to me. So I'm going to give him a call now. Then I have another client to call right after regarding her business insurance. She's looking at getting it for her home health agency. One of my former clients sent her my way for her business. And so I have to call her to do the applications. Those applications are not my favorite at all. Well, it's one application. It's not my favorite at all. I have to manually put it in. It's a lot of questions. I like the carriers that, you know, ask a few questions. Anything else we can answer and send via email. But them, I have to physically fill it out, send back to them, and get a quote. So I'm going to work on that. It's 3:21. I have to be out of this co-working space by 5, which I kind of like. So, you know, I was able to come here this morning and work with one of my friends. He headed out like 15, 20, 30 minutes ago. I don't know. I'm not even paying attention to anything right now but work. But I'm going to go ahead and finish all this, get everything done, and then head out. I'll probably hit traffic, but probably will call some friends on the way home. But it's been a really good, productive day. I want to at least try to get out one day a week out in Charlotte, you know, coffee shop, co-working space, or what have you, because for the co-working space today, I only paid $20 for the day. I ended up getting a private room just because it was empty and the manager was here, and I asked him, could we sit in here because of our meetings? He said, cool, but this was a really great experience, and I'm excited to try some new places. My goal is to try as many like coffee places, coffee shops, or co-working spaces as possible, just to see which ones I like, which ones I don't, and so forth. I'm gonna hop off of YouTube of this video and get to work and finish the rest of this so I can submit this. She did tell me she has 4 other companies she wants to insure. Let's go. So I'm going to reach out to my underwriter once I send this and get the other applications, work on those and submit those for her. Insurance is a lot of paperwork at times, and I'm gonna get to it. If you've made it this far in the video, drop some $ emojis in the comments below. what was your favorite part of the video? I want to get back into making more day in the life videos because I really do enjoy them. I enjoy talking to you. And when I was vlogging earlier, my friend, he just got into vlogging. And he was like, how do you do it? How do you make eye contact with the camera? Isn't it awkward? I'm like, honestly, no, I feel like they're my friends. Like the camera's my friend. The YouTube people are my friends. Like, I don't know. I've been talking to you guys for what, 3 years at this point. So I appreciate y'all rocking with me. The loyalty, it really means the world to me. Always, always, always will come back to YouTube. We'll never stray too far away. But don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and hit that bell for my latest notification so you can be what? Notified. Again, my name is Kenny J, the insurance guru, and this is Kenny J TV.